Alright, so in this video we're actually diving deep into the latest smartphone from Redmi, which is the Redmi 13C, and it's actually making waves with its new impressive features, which we would actually talk about in this particular video. Hey fam, thank you very much for clicking on this video. If you're new here, please don't forget to like and also subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. And with that being said, let's get into the video. Okay, so welcome back to this particular video. Hey fam, it's the Minion Aldo right here again, as I said earlier. This is actually specifications and also the review of the Redmi 13C. Kicking things off, the Redmi 13C boasts of a lightning fast 4G connectivity, ensuring you stay connected to your loved ones and also on the internet actually. This smartphone was launched on the 10th of November 2023. So yeah, it's actually new to the market and ready to impress. So with that being said, let's get straight into business. Now let's talk about the design. This smartphone weighs 192 grams. The Redmi 13C is actually sleek and lightweight, making it your perfect companion for your daily use. Now take a look at its stunning 6.74 IPS LCD display, the resolution of 720 by 1600 pixels and the density of 260 ppi. Your visuals are quite crisp and vibrant, and is actually protected with the Corning Gorilla Glass. So under the hood, the Redmi 13C runs on Android 13 with MIUI 14, powered by the MediaTek Helio G85 chipset, and that's paired with the Mali-G52 MC2 GPU, ensuring okay performance for your daily tasks. Storage shouldn't be an option because the Redmi 13C comes in out of the box with 128 gigs internal storage slapped on with 4 GB of RAM, or the 128 gig with 6 GB of RAM, or you can actually go big with the 256 GB worth of internal storage with 8 GB RAM. How flexibility is actually at its finest with the storage and RAM. Now let's talk about the cameras. The main camera is actually a 50 megapixels shooter, accompanied by a 2 megapixels macro lens and also a 0.08 megapixels depth sensor. So you can actually record videos max at 1080p 30 frames per second on the main cameras. Good news to audio and music lovers, because the Redmi 13C comes in with a loudspeaker and also a 3.5mm headphone jack. Comes in with Wi-Fi connectivity, Bluetooth, NFC, GPS and even an FM radio. Oh wait, there's more. The Redmi 13C comes in out of the box with USB-C 2.0 and also compatible with OTG. You can actually unlock your phone with the side-mounted fingerprints, and it's actually powered by the 5000 mAh battery on this smartphone, and this smartphone actually supports 18 watts fast charging. The Redmi 13C also comes in with 4 colors: the midnight black, the navy blue, gracia white and clover green. Now let's talk about the bang for your buck. The Redmi 13C actually comes in with 3 variants: the 4GB 128GB variant, which is actually 105,000 naira, 6GB 128, which actually comes in at 115,000 naira as at now, and the 8GB RAM 256GB internal storage, which actually comes in at 125,000 naira only. And there you have it. That's the specifications, also the review for the Redmi 13C. Let me know what you think about this particular smartphone. Would you be getting one? Let me know in the comment section. Also tell me something about this video in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and also follow for more tips like this. Stay tech savvy, and I'll see you when you see me. Peace.